I want to know, and just be honest, and I have a feeling I know why. Why did you price it at 4.99? Because
because
five.
at,
Go ahead, tell me.
at first I was targeting to get more sales and more
Okay.
reviews, so I priced it at the bottom rock so people can actually easily buy, right? So that was my intention.
Okay. Easily buy. So were you getting reviews like on Book Bounty? Is that why you priced it there,
Yeah,
or no? You're
book
good.
bounty.
Yeah, on Book
Yeah,
Bounty. Okay, cool. That would make sense that you price it at like the lowest possible so people can buy it and get the reviews via Book Bounty. Yeah, because like,
okay.
but like, because it gets to a point where your customers, they're gonna look at the book Mastery Persuasion and they're gonna be like, $5. Shit, it can't be that good.
Okay.
That's the problem. You can't. So when you like, so during the promotional phase, yeah, price is super low because you don't care about sales. It's not relevant. You're only focused on promoting the book and getting reviews and marketing, right?
Yeah,
But there is a price point where it will be too low that it makes your book look cheap and not that
yeah.
good because it's priced
Right,
too low. That's the issue. So
right, right.
no worries, man. But hey, you're starting. You're learning, take in all the information, and just keep trying. You're only going to keep getting better.
Yeah, okay. Thank you.
Cool. Awesome. Thanks, man. Appreciate it.